Hi Drastic Cute fans, this is my cat Mau Mau. He's here helping me today to thank you for getting us to 1 million subscribers. He's taking my place because I'm a bit camera shy and he's not, obviously. So this cat here, his name is Mau Mau, and he found us about a year ago. He was under my car and he was really hungry, and we're so lucky that he stuck around, and because he's just brought so much joy to our lives. He's just the happiest and sweetest cat in the world. He loves rubs, so see what happens when you give him a big hard rub on his back. He just can't take it. He's just, oh, it's so comfy. So I also wanted to show you a little video that my nieces sent me. They captured the moment I hit 1 million subscribers. It was after midnight, and so they actually stayed up for this. So I wanted to give a special shout out to them for making the effort to capture the moment. So thank you, Janelle. Thank you, Gigi, for all your hard work. So once again, thank you so much, Drastic Cute fans, for all your love and support and helping me get to this point. I hope I continue to inspire you, and I can't wait to make more drawing videos for you guys and craft videos too. So before we end the video, I also want to show you some beautiful fan art that I got. Let's say bye to Mau Mau. Say bye, Mau Mau. All right, now on to fan art. Hi Drastic Cute fans, it's fan art time. Before I start showing all of the beautiful drawings, I wanted to also answer some questions for you, since I did get some new questions this time. So this one here is from a big fan. Her first question is, what's your favorite drawing that you've done? Since you're asking me in 2018, I'm gonna say it's my Ariana Grande No Tears Left to Cry drawing that I just recently did. And what inspires your cute drawings? Well, definitely you guys, your requests, everything you guys tell me about all the new stuff that's going on, because I don't know everything. So I really appreciate your requests, and that's what really inspires me. And then just kind of like what I see around, like on TV, on the internet, anything. And just, if it catches my eye, that's what inspires me to draw it for you guys. And what is your favorite color? My first favorite color is kind of like this sage green, or like that robin blue, robin egg blue. So those are my two favorite colors. So thank you for those questions. And let's see here, this one is from, let's see, Leia, and her question is, do I like the show Naruto? Oh my gosh, the reason I wanted to answer this question is because it caught my eye. I love Naruto. I think it's just the funniest show. So thank you for that question, Leia. And let's see here, this is from Bella, and Bella wants to know, what is my favorite animal? I would say it would be a caracal. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Caracal. Just looks so awesome with the ears, and I guess I do like cats. This one here, I've answered some of these questions, and the last question here is, do you like sports? I love sports. I've always played badminton, and I love volleyball, tennis, dodgeball, anything. I just love the challenge, and I just love getting out there and playing. So thank you for those questions. And this one I just wanted to show you. So I don't know what happened. The envelope got wet. I don't know where in the process of it getting to me it got wet, but I just want to show you how cool it is, because it did get wet, right? Kind of eerie, but pretty cool. And you have this shows up right here. So it looks really cool. And I just want to thank you, Serena, for this awesome card. And then this one here is, if I'm not mistaken, I don't think I've gotten one from Israel yet. Thank you so much from all the way from Israel, Shay. So now I'm going to show you, I've done enough blabbling. So let's start with the fan art. So they're all done. What a beautiful batch of fan art, right? If you saw your drawings in here, please comment below and let me know that you did see it. And I want to thank you guys so much for making the effort to send them to me. I just love them so much. So make sure to check out my address if you want to send it to me, and I will definitely put it in the next fan art. And once again, I want to thank you so much for getting me to 1 million subscribers, Draw So Cute fans. I love you guys. And I hope you guys will stick around with me forever until we get to 2 million or maybe 5 million. We'll see, right? Thank you again, and I love you guys. Bye-bye.